Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with only the essentials: your paired phone, the watch, and a suitable photo. Open the Watch Companion app now and grant gallery or photos permissions so the app can access images. Once permissions are set, locate the photo you want and use the app's import or watch face editor. Don't crop yet, you'll adjust framing in the next step. Act now so the app can prepare the image format the watch requires and start the sync process immediately. Next, in the companion app, pick watch faces and choose the photo face. You'll see a phone mockup showing how the image maps to the round or square display. Use pinch to zoom and drag to position the subject. Once the frame looks right, confirm any optional filters or time complications, then tap Send or Set. Because the phone handles resizing and compression, this step ensures the watch receives a compatible file. Stay near the watch while it uploads so the transfer won't be interrupted. Finish by watching the app until it confirms the watch face update, and then look at your watch to verify alignment and clarity. If the photo doesn't appear, first make sure the watch is awake and connected. Then toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and resend. If problems persist, clear the companion app cache or reauthorize photos/gallery permission on your phone, then repeat the send process. One key tip: reboot the watch after reauthorization to clear temporary transfer errors and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.